Welcome to all of you. This is Dr. S.V. Desai. Today in this video, I am going to give some introduction regarding the entrance exam that is being conducted for MSc Food Technology course being offered at Central Food Technological Research Institute at Mysore. This course, being conducted at CFTRI Mysore, holds prominence in the context that it is the most coveted course from various aspirants across the country, since it has a tremendous potential in terms of career aspects for those who complete the MSc Food Technology at CFTRI. So there is a saying, tell me what you eat and I'll tell you what you are. So food, shelter and clothing are being considered as the three basic necessities of life. Among those, food is not just a biological necessity, but it is a reflection of our culture, science, economy and future as well. Alongside among the three basic necessities with shelter and clothing, food stands as a cornerstone of human survival and evolution. From ancient times till today, food has been a reflection of civilization's progress and challenges. Every major technological leap, say it from fire till fermentation, from agriculture to artificial intelligence, food has been at the cornerstone. There has been a sea change in the landscape of food technology since ages. Starting from the clay pots to 3D printers, the science of what we eat has seen tremendous progress and transformations. In traditional food processing, we had sun drying, pickling, boiling, grinding, whereas later got transformed to industrial food revolution where pasteurization, canning, freeze drying, packaging technologies came into picture. As science and technology advanced in the today modern era, we are seeing the fortified functional foods, nutrigenomics, 3D printing of foods, so on and so forth. So food technology is no longer just restricted to kitchens and cookbooks, but today it's all about labs, models, machines and molecules. In this context, studying MSc Food Technology acquires a prominence from the career perspective of the students. It has been because mainly due to the growing demand for food technologists with the increasing focus on food safety and nutrition. Also, there has been an expansion of the food processing industries in varied aspects. There is a need for sustainable and innovative products as well. And there has been a need for compliance with food regulations and maintenance of quality standards as far as the food production is concerned. So one has to look into what jobs does a food MSc food technology graduates acquire or don once they have completed their post graduations. So mainly they have responsibilities to work as food technologists. They can work as quality assurance officer to ensure the quality of the food that is being produced. They can work as research associates, and with the increasing demand for new types of foods, that is product formulation, food product development executive posts are in high demand. And also there has been increasing demand for food safety officer from regulations point of view. So these are the different jobs or career prospects that a MSc food technologist graduate generally plays after his successful graduation. So coming to what are the key features that MSc Food Technology at CFTRI Mysore holds in and what makes it stands apart are firstly the interdisciplinary excellence of the nature of the subjects being taught. It is a unique blend of food science, engineering, microbiology, chemistry and nutrition. Here students get to learn by doing with a hands-on experience in world-class labs. There is an industry immersion in the form of internship in food industry to the candidates studying there. There, the students innovate through research projects, and due to the competitive entry and quality intake of the admission for the course has become in much high demand and most coveted for. So before we look into the other aspects, let's look at the important dates that are in progress. The start of online application has been already started from May 5th. The closure of online application will be on June 25, 2026, and the examination is scheduled on July 12, 2026, which falls on Sunday. So these are the important dates that we need to remember as far as the application and the examination is concerned. As far as the admissions intake for the CFTRI MSc Food Technology course at Mysore is concerned, there are totally 36 seats, out of which 30 seats are filled through general admission via the entrance exam as per the ACSIR guidelines. ACSIR means Academy of CSIR. So there are 2 seats each reserved for defense personnel quota, industry sponsored candidates and foreign nationals. So totally there are 36 seats, out of which 30 will be filled through the entrance exam, which we are going to discuss henceforth. As far as the eligibility criteria for admission to the course is concerned, the general candidates, economically weaker sections, other backward class, SC, ST and PWD, that is persons with disability candidates, need to have a bachelor's degree in either science, agriculture, engineering or technology with a minimum marks of 55%. Whereas for SC, ST and persons with disabilities, the minimum percentage of marks is 50%. For industry sponsored candidates, the academic eligibility is stipulated at 55% with a minimum 2 years of experience in food or allied industry, and they should submit a sponsorship certificate from their employer. Coming to the 2 seats reserved for defense personnel, they must be currently serving and nominated by the Ministry of Defense of India. And as far as the foreign nationals are concerned, the 2 seats, the eligibility criteria is a bachelor's degree in science or agriculture or engineering or technology with English as the language of instruction, and the candidate should have scored a minimum of 60% or above, equivalent to the Indian universities. As far as the exam pattern and structure of the Food Technology MSc at CFTRI is concerned, the type of questions will be of multiple choice questions and there will be a negative marking as well. There are 7 designated examination centers at which the entrance exam will be conducted, which are at Mysore, Ghaziabad, Trivandrum, Thiruvananthapuram, Pune, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Bengaluru. The selection process will be ranked exclusively based on their performance in the entrance test, subject to reservation as described. So this is a gross list of the subjects that are being a part of the syllabus for entrance test for MSc Food Technology. It includes basics of physics, then chemistry, mathematics, botany and zoology, food microbiology and biotechnology, biochemistry and nutrition, agriculture and dairy technology, food engineering, food processing, mental ability and general awareness. So these are some of the list of the subjects which encompasses the entrance test. So coming to the detailed syllabus of each of these, so we just have a glance of the contents of each of these subjects. Physics, then we have the chemistry here, and mathematics, which is generally of 10+2 level, and botany and zoology again of PUC level, then microbiology and biotechnology, biochemistry and nutrition, agriculture and dairy technology, food engineering aspects, food processing, mental ability, so and general awareness on health and wellness. So this is the blown up syllabus content for the entrance examination. For further details in regard to this, the candidates, aspirants are expected to contact Coordinator, Human Resource Development, CSIR, Central Food Technological Research Institute, Mysuru, with email mscoordinator.cftri@csir.res.in For online applications and other details, please visit www.cftri.res.in. So with this brief introduction, I wish all the aspirants good luck on your exam. This is a very prestigious course at CFTRI Mysore. If you are able to get an entrance and admission to the MSc Food Technology course, the career prospects are going to be really bright, and I once again wish you all the best for your efforts. Thank you.